This review is of Tony's 70% Chocolonely dark chocolate. This is a product of Belgium, and it is kosher. So I believe that, at least I think that means it's kosher, because it's at the end of Chocolonely. So that may be the Belgian signature symbol for trademark or something like that. I really am not sure. Let's see. And their goal is to make chocolate 100% slavery free, and I think that's a noble goal. 99% of the ingredients are fair trade certified. And that is all I can see here. So there are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. All right. Let's give it a try, shall we? Got a little bit busted up, so it's kind of hard to show you, but basically they used a mold without any identifying marks on the chocolate. So we'll give it a try. A bit of fruity overtone. Sour. Bitter. It's got a nice, strong, but not overpowering flavor to it. Wow, this is actually a really pretty good. Oh, and I forgot, on the inside, got that. So I hope that I used to see this product a lot more, and then it just kind of disappeared from stores. I don't really know why. I had a really hard time finding this particular brand. I only saw it in one other store, in that store it was only the milk chocolate brand or type. So this I actually think I got at the fresh market, if I recall correctly. So it was extremely frustrating because I really wanted to make sure this was included, and I'm very glad I found it, to be quite honest. I'll give it an 8.5. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I hope you have a wonderful day.